My name is Bob Rich. I'm a veterinarian at Animal Medical Clinics of Quincy. I've been working with Adams for going on probably 8 years, 10 years, somewhere in there. We started out getting Adams fiber, and we also got the original phone system. And then we got the new phone system, which I dearly love. And now Adams is doing all our tech services support. They put up our firewall for us. We're buying all our computer equipment from Adams. This has all evolved in the last 3 or 4 years, and I am totally satisfied. We're using everything, and I'm the most satisfied person on the planet. We turned on our computers one day about 2 years ago, and we saw a skull and crossbones, and they wanted money for our backups. And I was panicking. And I called Adams, and they came over. And they said, don't panic, we'll get you all straightened out. And they took my backup and got me running the same day. Everybody's vulnerable. It's hard to be safe enough. And so we definitely want to save all our data. We want to put it into the cloud. We want all the services that Adams provides. But we want quick service because we can't be down. Everything's through we're all computer-based now. I mean, if my computers are down, I'm out of business. And Adams is actually just up the street, and they always come when I call. We've been forever with the big phone company, and we were paying the same fee a month for probably the last 10, 15 years. Adams came in, we needed new equipment. I dreaded the cost of the new equipment. Adams came in, put in their system, sold me the equipment. My phone bill is 40% of what it used to be. What I saved on the phone bill paid for the equipment in 8 months. Plus the phones do 10 times more than I even know how to do. We have remote access with other offices, with our home. My home's an extension here if I want it to be. It's just the most flawless phone system I've ever seen. I recommend Adams Experts for 3 reasons. Number 1, the service is excellent, the expertise is excellent. Number 2, they're a local company. We should all shop local. They're very understanding. They can talk at my level and tell me what we need to do. Their advice has been flawless. We trust them completely. And number 3, you're going to save money using their services.